In finance and law, wanton disregard describes a reckless lack of concern for the consequences of one's actions, especially regarding safety or rules. It goes beyond simple carelessness. It implies a conscious choice to ignore obvious risks that could harm others or their property. When someone acts with wanton disregard, they essentially acknowledge the potential for harm, but decide the outcome does not matter to them. This behavior is defined by a clear awareness of danger, followed by an intentional refusal to take precautions that a reasonable person would. Negligence is usually an accident or a slip-up, whereas wanton disregard is a deliberate choice to ignore known dangers. Legally speaking, wanton disregard sits on a much higher tier of severity than simple negligence, often leading to harsher penalties or damages. Courts look at the mindset behind the action. Ignoring a known, significant risk is treated much more strictly than a simple mistake. Understanding these legal distinctions helps you manage risk and recognize why accountability matters in every financial decision. Thanks for watching.